Good everyone, and welcome to today's class. Still under coordinate geometry. Here, if the line 2y minus kx plus 2 equal to 0 and y plus x minus k over 2 equal to 0 on the intercept at 1 and minus 2, we have to find the value of k. So here, this one is our x, where minus 2 is our y. Now, solution. The first thing is to equate the two of them. That will give us 2y minus kx plus 2. Why? Because both of them are equal to 0. If both of them are equal to 0, automatically both of them will be equal to each other. So y plus k, y plus x minus k over 2. Now here, what we are going to do, let's collect the letter. You have 2 minus y. Then minus kx, here minus x, plus 2 plus k over 2. Everything will be equal to 0. Now from there, this will give us y minus kx minus x plus 2 plus k over 2 will be equal to 0. Now let's substitute value of x and y into the equation. So our y is minus 2 minus k into what's x? X is 1 minus 1 plus 2. Then plus our k, that's what we are looking for, k over 2 equal to 0, right? Now from here we have minus 2 minus k. If you look at these two, it will turn to 1, then plus k over 2, which is equal to 0. Now, let's bring 1 and 2 together. 1 and minus 2, that will give us minus 1 minus k plus k over 2 will be equal to 0. Now, the next thing we are going to do, let's try to collect the like time. So we have, let me put k over 2. Then bring the minus k. Then let's take this one. That will give us 1. Now from there, we can now make 2. You know, this will be k minus 2k equal to 1. So the next thing we are going to do is this and this will give us minus k over 2, which is equal to 1. And from there, we can cross multiply. Let's continue from here. So that minus k will be equal to 2. Therefore, our k equal to minus 2. That brings us to the end of that